They're serving up their mom's recipes in an old neighborhood bar. This is Stogie Joe's.
Chicken parm, table 5.
If you're coming to look for that Italian vibe, this is the place to be.
It's got a world-class menu, but it's got a neighborhood feel.
Order up, linguine with olive oil and garlic.
I remember coming here when I was a kid, but around 10 years ago, the Liuzzi brothers took it over.
Little neck clams.
I knew Sonny from when I was a kid. He's basically the host here. And then you got Stogie Joe, who's just an all-around guy. Then you got Christian, who's a fabulous cook.
But this isn't the brothers' first rodeo. They teamed up on a more upscale spot, but decided to jump from fine dining into this long-time local joint.
This is kind of like a speakeasy.
The old man was selling. He was retiring. So he says, I want you guys to have it. I think it'd be perfect for you.
What do you guys serve here?
What was on our dinner table every day?
I lost my mom 8 months ago. That's all her recipes over there on the wall.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
The crab gravy.
Order up, linguine with crab gravy.
Nobody makes the crab gravy like Stogie Joe.
Sunday gravy was a tomato sauce for a pasta dish, correct?
Exactly.
But we're gonna make it with crab.
Yep. So we start with olive oil, butter, leeks, onion,
Celery, bay leaf.
garlic, peppercorn, a little bit of oregano, crushed red pepper, some fresh parsley and thyme.
My favorite album.
Get that going for a few minutes.
Raw but clean blue crabs.
Exactly.
And this is the crab of the East Coast.
Yes.
Talk about great flavor and sweet.
Old Bay, and then we'll cook it for 15 minutes. We'll finish it with white wine and crushed plum tomatoes.
We're gonna cook it.
Yep. 4 hours, 5 hours.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We macerate it through a food mill.
I've never seen this. That's awesome. So it comes with the sieve and everything?
Yep.
We're gonna grind it up, get the sauce out of it.
Yep.
The crab, all that great flavor's in the shell. You get all the flavor, none of the shells.
Exactly.
This is the next level. Did your mom get the chance to see any of this?
Absolutely.
What did she say? I never taught it to you this way.
Exactly.
I'm just dying to see the end of this.
Crab gravy, dab of tomato, butter just to balance out. Bring it up
Okay.
to temperature. We're gonna add linguine, the salt and pepper. Just coat it real nice. You remember?
Real nice, like that. Smells the part.
Finish it with a little parsley, extra virgin olive oil.
And that's all she wrote.
In South Philly, we eat it with bread. You gotta dip.
Your brothers aren't over here serving the bread, working together as a tag team.
Here you go, big guy. I was sleeping.
Thank you. Are you taking a nap, were you? It is crab on crab on crab. You're getting all the flavor you want. Wham! Right into the pasta dish. It's Flavor City, really delicious.
2 linguine crab.
The crab gravy is really, really good.
Their crabs just throughout that sauce and is unforgettable.